Clutch YouTube fam, what's poppin' with you? YouTube, what's good with it, man? How y'all feeling today, man? Your boy is energetic live from the top of the week. Y'all already know how we gotta start the week with them good vibes, man. This gonna set the tone for the whole week, man. So let's set the tone right over here on this channel, man. Y'all go ahead and start the video off by dropping a like for your boy, man. Dropping a like, man. Your boy has been grinding. I know y'all seen the on feeds, the movies, the in-house video. You know, my vid from yesterday, y'all really probably weren't really too much feeling that. I already knew what time it was, but you know, I still had to give it to for those who wanted to watch it, and that's a shoe that's still available. It's still available, so if you want to go to your local store, Snkrs app, they still got pairs, man. So I wanted to get that out there to y'all. I think it's a clean shoe. But back on topic, positivity. Go ahead and start the video off, y'all, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, as well as if this is your first time checking out any of your boys' vids, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. You won't regret it. It's free, number one, and number two, I'm gonna keep y'all entertained, man. Your boy Jay will try to hit y'all with daily content as long as y'all interact, y'all engage, and y'all comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the clutch W from Snkrs, man. We will be talking about that. And first things first, I do want to talk to y'all about something that happened last week that I didn't touch on, but I told myself, I said, look, man, I gotta go ahead and talk about that in one of my upcoming videos, and that is these, the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB Snkrs app show. Pardon my French. You know your boy Jay don't curse, but man, I told y'all, bro, look, before these dropped, when they did they whole little, this is how you get exclusive access and this and second chance, bro, it's a bunch of cap, man. I see it over and over, you know what I'm saying? Like, just what Nike should do, in my opinion, is just send out access to those who will have it, like surprise them, bro. Do not put out a day before you'll be giving people a second chance or this and nah, don't even give them the heads up, bro. Just send it out to the people who you want to get it. Like you mean it. That's it. It's a lot better when it's kept on the hush, because people gonna call y'all out. Like me, I'm gonna call y'all out, man, because there's a whole lot of capping going on. Nobody really that I know hit on a pair of the SB4s, you know what I'm saying? But I'm seeing a lot of people had access, but they just couldn't check out, man. So it's like, bro, you gotta prepare. Y'all a multi-billion-dollar company, man. Like, y'all gotta prepare for stuff like that. It's so simple. It's so simple, but I guess that's what it's all marketing, bro. It is all marketing when it comes to Nike and Snkrs, man. They know what they doing, bro. They know what they doing. And speaking of the Snkrs app, man, it's kind of drying up, bro. The next couple weeks, it'll probably be, well, not couple, but, you know, week or so, maybe 2 weeks. Couple, that's a couple. So maybe the next couple weeks, it might be slow. I don't see anything on there that's releasing. In the next week or so, something might pop up, but it's kind of slow right now, man. So I'm guessing, hey, is that why they, you know, threw this out there like some bait, just to kind of keep y'all interacting with the app? But the Nike SB4, of course, Jordan 4, that is arguably one of the sneakers of the year, man, or the sneaker of the year when it comes to Jordan and Nike, you know what I'm saying? It's choice is y'all. It's up to you. What do you like? Do you like these? A lot of people are going between these Reimagine 3s. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. I did a poll, y'all. Your boy Jay did a poll on my Instagram. I said these or the Cement Reimagine 3s, and these took the cake, man. So I'm curious to know what a lot of y'all lists is gonna be looking like at the end of the year. We are officially almost halfway through the year, man. So people gonna start tallying up what they have seen so far, what's to come, and yeah, y'all let me know your thoughts, man. But I just wanted to talk about that because I have kept my mouth shut. I just been putting out content, but it is something I wanted to speak on, man. So besides all that, man, I know y'all here to see this clutch W, right? So let's get to that. Woo, appreciate you. Clutch. Bang, man. So your boy did get a W on a recent shoe that released on the Nike Snkrs app. Man, when did this shoe release? About a week or two ago? Maybe 2 weeks ago this shoe has released. Recently got it in, and I was like, yeah, man, it was a clutch W. Although, I mean, if I didn't get it from the Snkrs app, I probably wouldn't have gotten this pair. But since I got it, it's something that I wanted, and I'm going to put it up, man, right next to my other one. You feel me? But that is a red and black Nike box. Throw that out of here. And yes sir, man, shout out to Snkrs app. Bang, man, I took that unusual W on a double up. You can see it. You can see it. Yes, on a double up of the Across the Spider-Verse Spider-Man 2.0s, man. Hold on. We only need to take, do I even need to take them out? I don't think I need to take them out, bro. I really don't even need to take them out, man. Look, here y'all go. That's the shoe right there. What I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna reach over here. Bruh. Pop this box open. Bruh. Bruh, there's too much going on in it. Give me 1 second, y'all. Bang! Bruh. My shoe almost fell out, y'all, but y'all get the point, right? Your boy doubled up on the Spider-Man 2.0s. This is my pair that I already worn. If y'all checked out my on feet video, I appreciate y'all doing that. And if you haven't, y'all missing a good one, man. So check out the video for my Spider-Mans if y'all are interested in that shoe that is, man. But your boy did double up. Man, I might as well, bro. I done did all that. I might as well take it out the box, man. Might as well, because I'm actually going to put this one in one of my shoe containers back there next to my 1.0s, man. So this will be a pair that I keep on ice, as y'all can see right there. I'm gonna keep this pair on ice, and then I will, you know, wear my other pair that I have that I wore in my on feet video, man. So this is a shoe that your boy said that I wouldn't mind doubling up on, because this, to me, like I said in my first look video, a lot of y'all told me that I was dogging this shoe. I was the first one dogging this shoe. Y'all still ain't sent me no footage or no video clips of when I dogged this shoe. You know what I'm saying? But besides all that, I did mention that this was a shoe that I wouldn't mind getting 2 pairs of, because it's more of a collector's item to your boy Jay. So one to rock, one to stock, just like I do have a dead stock pair of 1.0s, man. So that is something that I was, you know, interested in doing, and you know, Snkrs that made it happen for your boy, man. I wish it was a Travis Scott or something, but I don't get W's on Travis Scotts. I get W's on shoes that I already have pairs of, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. I just wanted to let y'all know, hey, your boy did double up on these. Did y'all go back and pick these up? How y'all feeling about them? You know what I'm saying? But I think it's a clean, decent shoe. I still like the 1.0s better, but these ain't bad, and I'm looking forward. I'm hearing that there's supposed to be a part 3 of these coming out. I'ma have those as well, so I just want to have them all in the collection, man. So I got one now that's gonna be dead stock, perfect retail pickup. Can't be mad at that, man. So that is it for this one. Your boy Jay is checking out. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all's day, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all. We'll have some more bangers, some more heat for y'all tomorrow, man. So with that being said, man, your boy Jay making the movies, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.
Get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, whoa, drip to a T, open for business, got drip for a feet, JTSG, fly like a fleet, stay with the heat, no need to speak. No need to speak, rock on the beat like Muhammad Ali. Jay with the 3, he gon' ball like I read. Clear skies, everything is I read, so don't bother, everything is on me. Yeah. Jay Tarantino, the family hero. Let's keep it a C-note. Matter of fact, keep it a kilo. Ooh, woke up this morning, there's so many shoes. Talking so many, don't know which to choose. So many colorways, so many hues.